and I'm here in my kitchen. I'm going to show you today how to make snow peas with green peas, cashew nuts, and shrimp. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, 1 cup of cashew nuts, 2 cups of green peas, half a pound of shrimp, deveined and without the shell, and snap peas. First, this is the olive oil. I'm going to saute the garlic, caramelize the garlic. I can cook this without sauteing, but I'm just doing the traditional way because the reason for sauteing, saute means fry in French, sauteing so that the garlic will cook fast. Otherwise, whether you saute it or not, the taste doesn't go away, the taste doesn't change, and it looks better if you caramelize the garlic and the onions. So now I'm gonna add the onions. Then after that, we're gonna wait till the onions become translucent. And another thing with sauteing the garlic and the onions, it smells good. It smells good in the kitchen. Next is the shrimp. I peel the shrimp, save the shell. Now I'm going to put the green peas, the snow peas. I'm going to add a little water. It's now bright green. Now this time I'm going to add my sauces. This is oyster sauce. Soy sauce. Stir it a little. Then the green peas. I love vegetables. Not because I'm diabetic, but I really love vegetables. So when I was diagnosed to be diabetic, the more I eat vegetables. We'll just cover it probably for about 3 minutes. I'm gonna add the shrimp. And the cashew nuts. Remember, I cooked the shrimp first. Now I'm gonna add the cashew nuts. And we're done. So this cooking takes only a few minutes. Cover it so that the shrimp will be cooked a little bit more. It's done.